Welcome to Clover Wheels channel. In this model episode, we will take a look at new Holland T5.115 agriculture tractor, in 1/32 scale, made by Universal Hobbies. You may have a question, why do I have chosen to take review on tractor model? Reason is that I was working for several years in official dealer center of New Holland and JCB brands. That's why I have some kind of relation to tractors, and also explanation, how I have got this beautiful model. Real scale New Holland is one of most common and popular tractor brand in modern Latvia. Company's roots leads to other brands, such as Ford. So, now you understand my sympathy to New Holland. But speaking about smaller copies, there are a lot of brands that are making scaled down models. Universal Hobbies is very respectable brand that makes its models with high precision and quality. Now you can see that quality requires a lot of work with screwdriver. This is quite heavy, but brittle model, that requires careful handling due to small parts, many of which are moving. Here we go, a very high detail New Holland T5.115 model, that will melt any tractor enthusiast heart. Fully articulated front axle gives this model a good feel of realism. Also, some parts are made from zinc alloy, so it adds needed weight. Hope that you liked this episode. Leave in comments, which is your favorite tractor brand.